I'm sure I've heard that sound somewhere before. What other game is that from? Exactly the same sound. I think it's the bats from Trine. I think it is actually. I think the bats in Trine make that noise. That exact same noise. Oi, piss off! Oh! Sorry. Even if it was a deliberate overreaction. No, really now. Oh, yay. Someone with a picture. And he has dragon in his name. Oh. Why is it default on no? I kind of want it. Oh, wait, I should have dropped stuff off. Yeah. I'm going to go back through that hole and drop stuff off. I'm going to go into her hole and drop stuff off. What? If you're going to make a pun, at least make sense. I'm not quite sure. I prefer the old Silent Hill combat systems to Homecoming because the games weren't made for combat. But I don't know. It's been quite some time since I've played Homecoming, so I don't really remember it. I think maybe I could have done better at times if I actually got used to the comboing and shiz. Hello? Oh, waking up. Isn't that convenient? A hole that leads right to your bed. New Silent Hill on PSP. There's a new one? Or do you mean... Excuse me? Or do you mean Origins? Hi, I can't get out. Oh, hi. Look down.
Help me! Help! Let me out of here!
That's the best voice acting I've heard from him.
What's going on in this room?
What do you mean?
I heard weird noises coming from inside there.
Yeah, I'm banging on it.
Hey, Richard, can you see anything from your window?
No. Everything looks pretty normal to me. The guy who lives here, what's he like anyway?
He's cool. No, he's not.
I know his name and face.
I am.
but that's about it.
Well,
Hi, dragon.
I'm gonna go call the super.
Yeah.
Wait, there's more than one dragon. Hi, dragon boy.
Damn it.
And hi, other dragon, and hi, everybody else. Because I feel bad only saying hi to one person. Oh well. Not that I have to say hi every time, but... I have no idea what's going on in this game. Wait. Was that... Yeah, that chair was there before. Right, chocolate milk. Nom on that later. Let's put that in. Let's put that in, because we don't need it yet. Let's put the ammo in, because we're too skilled with the steel pipe. It's not blind, I've played most of it before. What else should we put in? The chocolate milk just restores your health a bit, doesn't it? I think. Or does it have more use? Oh, I'll need it for later. Okay. Oh wait, I know. I need it in this forest to give to that bloke. Get rid of that crap. I want to drink some chocolate milk. Well, I've got some hot chocolate, so I guess that's good enough. In real life. I got quite a stash of yummies today as well. Because there were such good things on special offer at Tesco today. Bag of McCoy's Ridge chips thingies. Chips? I mean crisps. American. Nothing wrong with American, I just mean I don't know, I'm turning American. Also got a pack of cookies. Oh! And a bag of Roundtree's fruit things. I don't remember what they're called. Oh, Paul, you're so fat and greedy. Why are you buying so much? Oh, it's not like I'm going to eat them all in 2 days. Sprat! Whoa, I think I got them all in that one swing. I don't know. I don't know why I called them chips. It was very strange and unexpected. I've been hanging out with American people too much. They've ruined me. I'm going to turn completely American and nobody will watch my videos anymore because they watch me for the accent. That's the only reason. Hello? Where's the exit? There. What are you looking at, Henry? I keep going to say Harry. I need to stop and think about it. Can I have this car? It's still running. That means we can get in it and drive off. Oh, all sorts of things. It's been a while since I came here to Silent Hill. Oh my gosh, this is James's car. No, it isn't. Maybe I'll meet the devil this time. What? Whenever I come to this, come to a cool place like Silent Hill, I always get real thirsty. Jasper Gain. What? I'm not sure what that nosy guy meant when he said his home is the York. Oh, I don't care. Bring the dug up key when you can't go back. Put it away somewhere before you return there. I guess that means put it in the chest at home. I don't hate Americans, if you thought I did. I don't know. Nothing wrong with them in my opinion. Oh, Jasper's memo pad. Did I say I wanted to take that? No. I guess you only get a choice when it takes up a slot in your inventory. Oh, he's having a relax.
So you came to investigate this stolen too. There was another guy here before.
Here, have a drink. Oh.
Real nosy guy.
This rock is creepy somehow. Probably because it's got a hole in it.
I was the one who found this stone.
This rock is creepy somehow. Probably because there's a hole in it. In fact, I think it's exactly the same model. Because there's that little brighter bit here, and the hole just over here. There's a little brighter bit here, and the hole just over here. Yeah!
Now those guys are using it too.
We don't care, Jasper. Shut the fudge up. Call of Cthulhu Googly. Yep. That falls, so don't do it. What was the point? It fell before I got there. Some trap that is. Get off, I'm trying to look down a well. Oh. There's probably some items around here somewhere that I like. Wish House. Orphanage run by the cult. Ha. Huh. When did I scare thou? I'm good at scaring people though, with my sudden noises. Like 3, 2... No, I'm not going to actually. Gotta be some stuff around here.